Hello, everyone. Welcome to lucky day number 7 of our cybersecurity tips and tricks for Cybersecurity Awareness Month 2019. We really are going to have to shorten that. Maybe put some comments in there and let me know how maybe we could shorten that up a little bit. But anyhow, welcome to day number 7. Today we are sticking with the prior couple of days, and that is email. As I said, we could stick there. We could stick on that for the rest of the month. There's so much there. But today we're going to cover something that's been really popular in the last couple of years. And if you haven't got one, you're probably going to get one, no matter who you are or where your email is at and how well protected it is. And these are one of these extortion emails. And basically, they go something like this: Dear whomever, I have hacked your computer. I have taken pictures and the sites and noted the sites that you've been at. And unless you want those pictures shared with your friends, family, Pope, work, etc., then you're going to give me 800 Bitcoins, $800 in Bitcoin, and the secret's going to remain, well, our little secret. Yeah, don't believe them. Don't believe them for 1 second. Now, a little variation to this that's really popped up in many different ways is that they'll use one of your hacked passwords within the email. Or they'll say, I know that it's you, and you know that I've hacked you because here's one of your old passwords. Or they get really creative and they put PDF files attached, your eyes only, and then the actual name of the PDF file is your password. And, sometimes they'll actually go another step further and actually lock the thing with your password. And they just get kind of creative, as these bad guys can get, to make you think that there's some legitimacy behind what they're doing. The truth is, there is no legitimacy to what they're doing. They're just preying on those with a guilty conscience. At the end of the day, that's all it is. There's no need for alarm. There's no need for concern. No one's hacked your computer. And certainly, if they have pictures, they would send you those pictures to let you know what they have. And they're going to be charging a lot more to keep it a secret. So if you see those come up, don't fret. Hit the delete button. Don't even think twice about it. Just hit that delete button. Get rid of it. Don't even respond, because they're using those hacked emails we talked about before to send these things out. So hopefully you found this tip helpful. And if you are finding these tips helpful, please do like and share so that we can spread the good word. All right. We'll see you tomorrow. Day number 8. All right. Have a good night.